सोचा Konnichiwa. I always wanted to start my video with this word. So today we are doing Nezuko phone case painting, and I bought this phone case from Amazon. Here I'm using Camlin marker pen for outlining. You can purchase it from any local store or you can buy it from Amazon. I have to say this marker is the best replacement for the expensive ones. If you are a beginner and looking for a marker for phone case painting or glass painting, I'll definitely recommend this to you. Okay, here's the tip. When you are outlining, go twice or thrice over the line. Don't worry if you messed it up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. Don't worry about it. You can easily remove it off with the help of nail pen remover and you'll be good to go. For painting, I'm using Faber-Castell acrylic colors. It has 24 shades and some brushes which I bought from art store.